Hi, today we are going to learn how to KonMari fold the silky satiny tank top camisole to show off which one it is in case we had a few of them that were the same fabric but have a different front. We want to try and show that off when we fold this. So we're going to put that face down. And we tuck in these little strings. If you're going to fold your stuff all the time, you don't need those strings. The neckline is very close to here and we don't have sleeves. Know that it is the little bell, so we gotta make sure this line is straight instead of making sure this line, because otherwise it sticks out too far and it will have that, it won't be rectangle and it won't be even. Go in further than that neckline, but make sure that you have it at a point where it's not making troubles for you. There. And then neaten them up. Make sure that this goes to a point where this is, again, and not past the neck. That helps us keep that structure and not wrinkling things up too unusually. And then, so then we can see that this is a satiny, and this is our little detail. If it was a larger size to it, folding along these pleats, you could do it this way. If it's a larger size, just enough to come in. Make sure you pull in from the bottom so that it's straight. And then we could fold it in half. And then just up to the neckline, and then once in, twice in, leaving a little space so that there, it stands up on its own, and you have a noticeable, easy, satiny item that fits with all the rest of your folding. If you like this video, please hit the like. If you'd like to leave your comments below of anything you'd like to fold Marie Kondo KonMari style, you can subscribe in order to find this channel back next time you would like to learn how to KonMari fold an item. Then hit that little bell for when I make the next video. You can be alerted. Share with friends if you think this would help them. And thank you for learning KonMari folding along with Just 2020.